What's up, guys? Let's do a little trade recap. Now, okay, one disclaimer real quick. So I lost like $1,000 and $1,056, right? Not on my 6K account. I just bought a 100K account last night for 500 bucks. So that's why the loss is so big, but it's really just still 1% of the account. But yeah, and let's talk about the loss. Now, I learned a lot. I learned a decent amount from this loss. I mean, like, it wasn't so I wake up at 3 a.m. and I or whatever 2:40 and I check all my like forexes, and none of them really like reacted how I wanted to, and that was kind of a problem. But it's okay, like none of this wasn't here yet. So like this was the only one that potentially had something, and the only reason it had something is like this is one of the things I learned is don't take a trade off of a low time frame smart money concept. You only use entries off low time frames, if that makes sense. So like my logic was this trade right here, 5 minute fair value gap form pre-market, or like at one, we come down, respect it, come down, respect it, and we go up, and then we come, oops, sorry, something on my keyboard, and then we come back down and respect it again and go up, and I wait for a 5 minute break of structure, and I entered instantly. Oh my god, like talk about like an instant lost $1,000 in fucking so fast. But I mean, that was that. Now this was this is the trade I should have taken. I had it all charted out. Um, if I'm gonna be honest, I'm very stupid for not taking this trade. Cause what do I do? So I can't believe I had all these. It's 3 a.m. and I so basically like all the time frames on GJ were bearish, and I saw that. And then pre-market we form a 15-minute fair value gap, and we touch it and come back, and then we come right here. But I go up and look before 15-minute fair value gap, jump a dump. 15-minute fair value gap came into respected, dumped. And I don't know why. Oh, this bugs me. It kind of kills me right now. But like why I mark out this 15-minute fair value gap, and I forced that trade on GU. I think is what it's called. Yeah, I forced that trade on GU when the trade is right here. Like this is the trade. Literally, like come up to the fair value gap. Kind of makes me mad. But like we come up to the fair value gap, I see the 5 minute rejection. I probably would have went down to the 1 minute and like entered off a 1 minute break of structure right there. So hypothetically, say you get entered, or whoops, your stops are still above the fair value gap. Hypothetically, say you get entered right here because you break structure off that candle. Like what? Draw back for a minute, like, and I had to take profits, mark down everything. I can't believe I didn't do this. Very, very rookie mistake. First 100K trade, 1,000 ban, and like just targeted the areas of liquidity. Even almost like it even wicked down there. Like that's crazy. That's a huge wick right there. Like you could have had a freaking 10R almost. But like, so yeah, I lost $1,000. It's okay. I mean, it is what it is. But yeah, basically, I mean, it's just annoying. I need to not force trades, and I need to only respect high time frame confluences, which I will. But it's just a learning curve. That's all it is. It's just a learning curve, and I'll show you guys. It was a first trade on the big account, and go on. Minus 996. But yeah, lot size was decent. I probably lower the lot size a little bit if I have a bigger stop loss. Also remember that. But yeah, I mean, pure. I love losses though because it's always on me. Like that's my fault. I lost that. Like what am I forcing a trade for? Off a 5 minute smart money concept? Like the 15-minute one was right there. Like that was a bread and butter short right there, and I just didn't. I was impatient. I just can't be impatient. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys. Gonna go back tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday. Let's see if we can break even tomorrow. See you guys.